Hello, and welcome to this video on recovery of irrecoverable debts. So we have a former trade receivable whose account has been written off, now makes a payment. So in the previous year's accounts, we were not expecting a trade receivable to actually pay us the money, so it's written off. But in a year or two later on, they now make a payment. So A. Barker is a former trade receivable of Naraj Packaging. The balance of £25 on A. Barker's account was written off as an irrecoverable debt on the 15th of December 2021. Today, on the 15th of April 2023, A. Barker wishes to pay the amount of the debt with a cheque for £25. So it says required, prepare the following nominal ledger accounts. So we've got a bank account and then a T account, a nominal ledger account for recovery of irrecoverable debts account. So it says on the 15th of April, A. Barker wishes to pay the amount of the debt with a cheque for £25. So we go to our bank account. So we received money from A. Barker. If we received money in a bank account, it goes on the debit side. So the details are going to be A. Barker, the person we received the money from, and the amount was £25, and the date was the 15th of April 2023. Now, it's the recovery of an irrecoverable debt. So previously, on the 15th of December 2021, it was treated as an irrecoverable debt. We've now got the money back. So we've got a recovery of irrecoverable debts account. If it's on the debit side of the bank, it's going to be on the credit side of the recovery of irrecoverable debts account. It's treated as a type of income. So it's coming from the bank account. So that's my details. The amount was £25. And the date was on the 15th of April 2023. Now, our year end, as I've got below, income statement extract for the year ended 30th of December 2023. So that means at the end of the year, on the 31st of December 23, we're going to show in the income statement, I'm going to transfer to the income statement the £25. So now we just tidy up our irrecoverable debts account. So the two sides must total the same amount, as you know. So the debit side is £25 and also the credit side is. So there's no balance carried down here. Now, how will it be shown in your income statement? So this is just an extract. So at the top, you'll have worked out your gross profit. Then underneath gross profit, we have add income. And one of those is the recovery of irrecoverable debts. In this case, we received £25. So that's where it would go. Then you'd have your gross profit plus your other income. Then you less your expenses. And then you end up with your profit for the year. So all you need to be aware of here is this recovery of irrecoverable debts. It goes underneath the gross profit in a section entitled Add Income. So that's your little video on recovery of irrecoverable debts.